Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be reviewing the top 3 best web hosting options for beginners in 2023. If you're just starting out with your website or blog, finding the right web hosting provider is crucial for your online success. After extensive research and testing, I've narrowed down the options to 3 outstanding choices. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top picks. Our first pick for the best web hosting for beginners is WPX Hosting. WPX is known for its lightning-fast managed WordPress hosting, top-notch customer support, and impressive features. One of the standout features of WPX Hosting is its free high-speed CDN and SSLs, which help improve website loading times and security. They also offer free site speed optimization, unlimited site transfers, and malware detection and removal, making it a hassle-free experience for beginners. In addition, WPX Hosting has a 30-second average support response time, with WordPress experts who can quickly fix any issues. But don't just take my word for it. Based on 2,847 reviews, WPX Hosting has received excellent ratings from long-term customers who have had a positive experience with their service. They have also been hosting humans and dogs since 2013, managing their own no-cage, open-yard animal sanctuary, showcasing their commitment to giving back to the community. WPX Hosting offers different hosting plans to cater to different needs. For business websites, their plans start at $20.83 per month, with a yearly purchase option that includes 2 months free. This plan allows you to host up to 5 websites, offers 15 GB storage, 200 GB bandwidth, and other valuable features like free malware removal, site speed optimization, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Next on our list is Flywheel, a managed WordPress hosting provider that caters specifically to designers and creative agencies. Flywheel offers hassle-free migrations, 24/7 support, 14-day demo sites, and a 60-day guarantee, making it a great option for busy creatives. They also provide exceptional hosting for WooCommerce sites and high-traffic websites, with features that allow you to easily scale your WordPress site without any stress. Flywheel also offers add-ons and above and beyond services to further enhance your hosting experience. One of the unique aspects of Flywheel is its agency partner program, which provides access to exclusive resources such as networking opportunities, white-labeled resources, and free website hosting. They also offer a variety of helpful resources like a blog, ebooks, videos, case studies, and help docs to assist you in growing your agency. Flywheel offers different hosting plans, starting at just $13 per month for their tiny plan, which includes 1 WordPress site, 5,000 monthly visits, 5 GB storage, and 20 GB bandwidth. Their most popular plan, the starter plan, starts at $30 per month and includes 1 WordPress site, 25,000 monthly visits, 10 GB storage, and 50 GB bandwidth. For those with a growing client list, their freelance plan starts at $115 per month and allows you to host up to 10 sites with 100,000 monthly visits, 20 GB storage, and 200 GB bandwidth. Number 3 is Bluehost, best web hosting for WordPress. Bluehost is one of the most popular web hosting providers, especially for WordPress websites. It offers affordable hosting plans with reliable performance and excellent customer support. Why choose Bluehost for your WordPress site? Trusted by millions of websites worldwide, officially recommended by WordPress.org, 24/7 customer support, free domain name, free SSL certificate, 30-day money-back guarantee. Best features of Bluehost WordPress hosting: automatic WordPress installation, optimized performance with SSD storage and custom PHP FPM configuration, enhanced security with SiteLock security and CodeGuard backups, free CDN integration with Cloudflare, unlimited websites and domains, and unlimited email accounts. Choose the right plan for your WordPress site. Bluehost offers 3 WordPress hosting plans. Basic, perfect for beginners, $2.95 per month for the first term. 1 website, 50 GB SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate, free domain name for 1 year, 5 email accounts, 24/7 customer support, 30-day money-back guarantee, plus great for growing websites, $5.45 per month for the first term. Unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate, free domain name for 1 year, unlimited email accounts, 24/7 customer support, 30 30-day money-back guarantee. One Microsoft Office 365 mailbox free for 30 days. Choice Plus Best Value Plan, $5.45 per month for the first term. Unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate, free domain name for 1 year, unlimited email accounts, 24/7 customer support, 30-day money-back guarantee. One Microsoft Office 365 mailbox free for 30 days. CodeGuard Basic Backup free for 1 year. Domain Privacy Plus Protection free for 1 year. So there you have it, the top 3 best web hosting options for beginners in 2023. WPX Hosting, with its lightning-fast performance and exceptional customer support. Flywheel, designed specifically for creatives and agencies. And Bluehost, a popular and reliable choice for WordPress websites. Depending on your budget and requirements, you can choose the hosting plan that best suits your needs and get your website up and running smoothly. Don't forget to do your own research and read reviews to make an informed decision. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more digital product reviews.